guys, welcome back. This is Tanya, SideGig Craft. I have got a little PandaHall selected opening to do. Sorry, my brain went blank for a second. And I wanted to show you what I got, but unfortunately that was not part of this one. Okay, I got a few dies, you guys. Look at these. I've got some super cute ones too, and I'm excited to share them. So let's start with the first one. This is just my opening. I just wanted to show you what we got. I got a sewing die, and I'll show you this today, just the opening, and then I'll come back and show you some of the projects that I make with these. I'm super excited to use them. And I love this one. Look at this cute sewing die. We've got a dress form. I think this might be like a bowl, maybe for the yarn is what I'm thinking, like to put the yarn in there. There's some buttons and some little flower buttons, thread, scissors, sewing machine, some heart buttons, safety pins and stick pins. Super, super cute for that sewing theme. I absolutely love it. So excited. I'll let you guys know how it works. I love the scissors. Those are going to be fun. But you know me, I love to sew as well as paper craft and everything else. So this is fun. And I love the theme. And I'm going to do, I know you guys know I'm doing my cookbook journal and I'm doing my birthday journal, but this is next on my list to do a sewing one. So this is kind of why I was looking at that one. I got some Christmas here. I think this is the Ho Ho Ho. And I will have I'll have the links in the description box for you, but also I'll have a discount code in there too, so you guys can get some, discounts for using my link. This one says Ho Ho Ho. It's kind of hard to see this way, of course, but there's some bells on here and a bow, bells and a bow down here. It'll be a lot easier to tell once it's cut. So I'll show you that one next time too. We got, I feel like there's one more that no, I guess I did read all of these on the description. I got just a few of them. They look like they're super cute. This one is birds. I really don't have birds. And I can't, this is a cardinal. There's his little feet, there's a wing, and this is the body part that goes over the top. So it's a layered piece. That's gonna be super cute. This one is, I don't know what kind of bird it is. It almost looks like a little hummingbird, doesn't it? It's got two wings, and this is the overlay, and then the feet. Cute. This one, I don't know what it is. Probably whatever I make it into. Just little feet. Love that. So it's going to be really pretty. So I'll be sure to bring these back and show you when they're done. And another one. I'm curious what this one is. I'll have to go back and look at the picture. So very cute. So that's how many? 1, 2, 3, 4 little birds. I don't really have, I have a few birds, I think, but not really. But I thought those would be fun for fall, and like for the cardinal, for Christmas cards would be fun. I got this one. This is a movie theme. Look how cute it is. This is the popcorn bucket. And then these are the pieces that go on the popcorn. There is the actual popcorn. There's the movie reel. There's the film strip. We've got a soda and a ticket. This one actually showed up bent. I'm hoping it'll be all right. When I use it, I think it'll be probably just fine. And then that says popcorn. So I'm thinking this must be the label that goes like on the front or something. And then stars, super cute. We did a movie theme swap recently, and I was wishing I had had that one. That's so fun. So looking forward to putting that one together. And then this one, you guys, guess what this one is? You know it's gonna be food related, right? This one is, look at this lady, she's shopping, okay? So this would be fun anyway, like for a, even for sewing, because she's got different outfits. So here's a top to put on her and some pants that go this way. And then there's a fancy dress, and then her dress shoes. So we could use those, because we all dress like that when we go shopping. Look at her little shopping cart. Isn't that cute? And then we've got a pineapple top. There's a pineapple. There's her purse, I guess. Some wine and some wine glasses. So it would be cute for even an invitation. There's her wine. Some candy. don't know. It'll be fun. And then a house plant. Again, I'm not sure how that works because maybe she's buying the house plant. Maybe she's going to be, I don't know. I think I can do a lot of things with this. It'll be fun, but I love that it comes with a shopping cart. I've not seen those kind of before. But again, I will bring this back to you when I make them soon. I hope you guys enjoyed that. Please check the links below if you're interested in any of these. Once again, I will be showing you once they're cut and used what they look like. So I'll come back to you again. I just wanted to do the opening for you and let you know what's on the way. I hope you guys are all having a great day, and I hope you're finding some time to craft for you. And I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Bye-bye.